Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I've noticed that my home is starting to feel neglected, most especially the window blinds and the bathroom. The blinds have been collecting a lot of dust over time, and my bathroom needs a deep clean, like a serious cleaning, because it has collected a lot of dust. Not necessarily dust, it has bacteria. So today I want to give these areas the attention they need. So if you need a cleaning motivation, not just something calming to watch, clean along with me as we reset this space. So I've given the clothes, the blinds that I removed from the nini, from the window to be cleaned by my cleaning lady. So what I'm remaining with is the bathroom. Let's tackle this bathroom while she's doing the washing of those clothes right now, because there's no time. We have to rush things. If you have a toddler, you have to work with time. So I know my baby is almost waking up. He slept, but he's almost waking up. So I want to finish up very fast before he wakes up.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind?
Bedroom walls are these areas that are easily neglected or forgotten many times. But people tend to forget about these areas a lot, and they don't know that these areas also catch a lot of dust. And those people are me, like I'm one of those people. So this soapy stuff sometimes get collected in this area. Maybe when someone is taking shower, when people are taking shower, washing clothes, these are the times you will find out that the walls are dirty, but they're unseen. Like you cannot, maybe when you are keen, that is the time that you'll be able to realize or that they are dirty.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now the time has passed, I see why we are lonely.
So guys, we are done with the bathroom walls and it is now sparkling clean. It's very clean. Yeah, so let's get to the floor. The floor is also very dirty, and I know it has bacteria buildup in it. It has to be properly cleaned because you can easily get sick from that. So guys, let's clean this up right now. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. We're now putting the towels back. The bathroom is fresh and clean. So remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.